So it's Sunday morning and I decided to cook a big breakfast for my family on the Blackstone Griddle, and I'm going to bring you along for it. It's coming up right now. Welcome back to Everyday Barbecue, everybody. My name is Mike. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, or if this is your first time here, or maybe you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you'd consider doing that by clicking that button down there. And don't forget, I've got a website now. If you want to pick up any merch or check out any of the pictures or past recipes I've done, everydaybarbecue.net is where you'll find all that information. Now I've got a bunch of food here that I'm going to be cooking up. We're going to be doing pancakes, hash browns, sausage, bacon, ham steaks, eggs. I'm really excited to do this. This is my family's favorite breakfast, is when I do it here on the griddle. The Blackstone always does a great job, and since the kids are hungry, I'm going to shut up and start cooking. So I'm going to start with a little bit of oil. Now my far right burner is off. That's going to be my keep warm zone. The rest of these are on medium low. I'm going to drop my hash browns down here. Get these ham steaks down. And the sausage patties. I want to get all these cooked up before I get my bacon on there because that goes really, really quick. Just going to hit up these hash browns with some garlic salt. Keep it real simple. It's been a couple minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip these now. I did move those other ham steaks up to the top. This griddle runs a little warmer towards that top area. Oh, beautiful. Just look at that. Kids are gonna love these things, man. Alright, now we'll flip these sausages. Very nice. To be expected. And the same thing with these hash browns. Nice golden brown on that side. Oops. So I'm just gonna give this about another minute, minute and a half, and I'll move these all over to the keep warm side. One of the best things about cooking on a griddle is the awesome sear that you get on the food. Alright, a couple more minutes has passed. I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff moved over here to the keep warm side. So again, I've got no heat on this far right burner. It's completely off. Alright, it's time for the bacon. I got all this bacon on. I ran inside really quick to wash my hands. Now it's already time to flip. Just gorgeous stuff. Now I did turn my burner down to like a closer to low, so it's sort of like a medium low, and that's all three rather, not just one. All three of them I did that with. Again, the far right burner is off. That's just my keep warm station. Some of us in the house like the bacon crispy, some like it sort of floppy, kind of like cooking with rice says, acceptable floppy state. That's me. That's how I like my bacon. I don't like my bacon to be too crispy. So I'll probably move some of this over to the keep warm area before the other. Then all we have left is the pancakes and the eggs. You know what's great about these griddles, and it doesn't really matter what brand you have, that you can cook a breakfast for 10 people in 20 to 30 minutes. It just goes so quickly. And by the way, if you're watching this whole video and you're listening and you're paying attention, I'm going to be filming a clean video of how I clean the griddle top immediately after I'm done with this. So if you ever want to know what I do after every cook and how I keep the griddle maintained, which I always keep the top in really good shape, and I also clean the outside. Of course, I'm just going to do a general cleanup video of what I do after cooks. Click that iCard above right now, and you'll be able to see that. My dog is barking in the window right now because he knows when Daddy's outside cooking. So he's at my sliders right now, begging to come outside and share these smells. And if he wasn't so noisy, I'd let him out with me. I'm going to show you what he's doing right now. He's giving me a little side-eye action. That's my dog, Javy. All right, as this bacon is done, I'm just going to be moving it over here and piling it over here. I've just got a few more pieces here that I want to get more of a crisp on. All right, this bacon should be good to go here. Just going to move the rest of this over. Let me just go ahead and scrape some of this out of the way just to clean this up a little bit. And get that right into that back grease bin. That's been a lifesaver. My first Blackstone had the side grease exit and it was a mess all the time. So this one's worked really well. All right, it's pancake time. Want to get those nice crispy edges on those pancakes, so we'll put this oil down here. And I have this badass pancake dispenser. Don't worry, I'll have a link in the description for this. I did use this in my last breakfast video. Here we go. Just pull the handle. We probably got like one more in here. I absolutely love this thing. So it only takes about a minute. When you start seeing these pancakes bubble on top and look like they're solidifying, it's typically time to flip. Let's check it. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice little golden brown there on that side. And I got those nice crispy edges around the cakes from putting that oil down. To me, that's what really makes a pancake. Pancakes are almost done, then we're just gonna whip up these eggs, and then the big challenge, how are we gonna fit all this food on this little platter I brought out? We're gonna see if we can. All right, these pancakes are done. I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the way. Just a little more oil. Spread that out. Now some eggs. And I've got some scrambled eggs here. And hit these up with a little garlic salt, not much. The scrambled eggs already have the garlic salt, so we're good there. Scrambled eggs are done already. Quick flip on these to go over easy. And I'm actually going to turn off my burners now, because I don't need any more heat at this point. All right, eggs are done. I'm gonna go ahead and get these over here. All right, now let's see if we can get all this food onto the platter. So we're gonna start by trying to stack all our pancakes here. Now the hash browns, sausage patties. Don't laugh at me, that's how we say sausage where I'm from. Now these beautiful ham steaks. All this glorious, wonderful bacon. My God, this is going to be very hard to get on here, guys. I'm not even kidding. Oh, I can't even see my ham steaks anymore. Now my scrambled egg and all these over easy eggs here. Did I overdo it maybe? You be the judge. Let me know in the comments. Breakfast for, well, maybe 5 people. My younger brother's over, so if he eats, maybe this won't be overkill. But my goodness, look at this. I was gonna try to hold this platter for a thumbnail, but I got a feeling that's gonna be a little difficult. So here's the good news. We got all the food on the platter. Bad news is, I don't know how I'm going to carry it without spilling it, but it is glorious. I'll get you a little close up here with my phone. Just take a look at that. Now before I take this into my son, who's going to eat all the bacon, I got a little taste test. My goodness, Listen, thanks for hanging out with me today. I always appreciate your support. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next episode.